just going to show you how to create a circular pattern on top of an existing part. Now, as you can see, I've started off with a short cylindrical part, 200 millimeters in diameter, extruded to a height or thickness of 15 millimeters. Now, on the surface, if I just go normal to it, I'm just going to sketch two holes towards the edge, and then I'm going to revolve these holes in a circular pattern around the cylinder. So now that I have my surface selected, I can open up Sketch. And I'm just going to do two small circles towards the edge. Next, Smart Dimension. And remember to always fully define your sketches. Now you'll probably notice that the dimensions I've placed in now aren't enough to fully define the sketch. So we're going to have to add a relation. So the type of relation I'm going to add in order to fully define this sketch is to place a horizontal relation between the origin and the center of each of the circles. So basically that's as simple as selecting the origin, holding down Control, and then selecting the center of your first circle. And now, as you can see, you have a Properties feature manager is open, and you can add your relations down here. Any relations that are available to you between two or more points can be selected here. So I'm just going to select horizontal. As you can see, this circle is now fully defined, but I need to define this circle as well. So I'm just going to add in a second relation. There. And now my sketch is fully defined. So now that I have my sketch fully defined, the next step is to create the axis of revolution that the circular pattern is going to form around. So I'm just going to exit out of this sketch, and I'm going to create my axis, which will just be a vertical line in construction. I'm just going to put that on the front plane. So now that I have my axis on my sketch done, I can now create my circular pattern. Just going into features, it should be by default in the drop down of linear pattern, but if it isn't, remember that you can always go into customize and select it from there. So first I'm just going to select my features pattern, which is my extrude. Next I'm going to select my axis. Now I'm just going to determine the number of instances. So I'm just going to put in 10. Now as you can see, I've been given a preview of 10 bored holes, a series of 10 bored holes which will revolve around this axis. But I want them to be equal spacing from each other. So I'm just going to click equal spacing. Now as you can see, I've a series of 10 series of holes equal spaced from each other within 360 degrees. So I'm just going to click OK. And there you have it. As you can see, circular pattern makes it very easy to create the same pattern a number of times without having to do individual sketches. So it's really a feature that offers a lot of time saving.